is interesting doing these long angled views of the river. It's a lot different to holding it fully straight up and down. You will see the difference in the river picture. And I might take this to 7 minutes as well. Oh, my coat's fallen off. It's halfway coat. It is a halfway coat now, I'm halfway cold. When the blanket falls entirely off. Oh, that's the wind, yeah, I should have covered up with the blanket. The wind's starting now. Oh, there we go. That's the end of the video then. Hey, I'll go for just a walk up here. I'm trying to get the difference of the river walk and then I've got to walk all the way back to get the coat. The blanket on. And then restart the video. There, we've got the 2-minute mark. To signify that this is the Spongo Garden. 2 minutes in Spongo Garden. There we go. We're at the 2 minutes. We're at the focal point of the object of getting to here. And there it is. There, I've got to go back and get the blanket. There. There is the epic picture with the cows on the hill, birdies, and everything on the hill. There you go. Good day to you. Cup of tea, Dad.